To change the theme on Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to scroll down. Here we want to find personalization. Click on it, scroll down and look for themes. Select it. Then it may ask you to log into your Xiaomi account. If you don't have it, then you will need to create one. Now in the themes section, you'll be able to find different themes, but keep in mind that some of them will have price, which means you will need to pay for them. In this case, we're gonna try to find something that is free. So let's look for, let's say this one. We can click on it, download it, and after a moment when the theme is downloaded, you can apply it. And the theme will change basically every style thing on your phone, like icons, your wallpaper. Even sometimes you should see a different system UI. So let's try to open settings. No, in this case it's the same. But that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.